Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A91 and today I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's open up our settings and from here go to other wireless connections where you should see personal hotspot at the top, and then the second option, personal hotspot settings. You want to tap on that so you can change a couple settings. So number one, I have the name. This is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi. You can change it or keep it as it is, it doesn't really matter. Then you have the password, which is just some kind of random generated password. So if you want to change it to something that might be a little bit easier to remember, you can do that. Just keep in mind it needs to be at least 8 characters in length. And then you have the AP band. So you have choice between 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Now 5 gigahertz is going to be better. And if your device can use it, then I would advise on using the 5 gigahertz one, but older devices will not support it. Older, I mean probably like 3 years back. Some, like for instance, budget devices probably didn't support it. So if you enable the personal hotspot and you don't see your Wi-Fi as an OPPO A91, then you might want to go back here and just drop that back to 2.4 instead, and then it should work just fine. And once everything is set, just tap on save, and from here you can either enable it right here or just leave it, and I believe the toggle is somewhere in here. So let's see. So probably have to add it in this case. So yeah, there it is. So you can add a toggle manually. So you can just drag it over here, tap on done, and now you will have it in notification panel. And from here you simply tap on it. It enables, as you can see, personal hotspot turned on. And once you're done, you can just tap on it again to turn it off. And that is how you would set up and enable the hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.